Out in the wild, things can change fast. One minute you're enjoying the sunshine, the next you're facing a challenge. But don't worry, with the right knowledge, you can survive and thrive. Remember, luck favors the prepared. We're going to cover essential survival skills. From animal encounters to natural disasters, I'll teach you how to stay calm and to take charge. We'll explore practical tips and tricks I've learned from years of experience. Survival is about using your head as much as your hands. Improvisation is key. We'll discover how everyday items can become lifesavers. So whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a weekend hiker, join me as we unlock the secrets of survival. Let's get started. The wilderness is full of amazing creatures, but some encounters require caution. Take bears, for example. If you surprise one, never run. They're faster than you. Instead, stand tall, wave your arms slowly, and speak in a calm voice. This helps you appear larger and less threatening. Moose can be even more unpredictable. If you find yourself too close for comfort, get behind a large tree. Moose have a blind spot in their peripheral vision, giving you a chance to escape unnoticed. Natural disasters can strike quickly. Imagine being caught in an avalanche. The most important thing is to create an air pocket around your face. Spit to figure out which way is down. Saliva follows gravity. Then dig in the opposite direction to reach the surface. Another danger is a tsunami. If you see the ocean receding rapidly, run. It's a sure sign a massive wave is coming. Warn others and head for higher ground immediately. In a survival situation, resourcefulness is your best friend. Let's say you're facing a long trek back to camp with a flat tire. Don't panic. Pack the flat tire with grass, leaves, or anything else you can find to create enough pressure to drive on. This buys you time to reach a safer location for repairs. Cold weather can be a silent killer. If you find yourself in a house with no power during a winter storm, you can build an improvised heater. Place lit candles on a fireproof surface like bricks. Then carefully cover them with an upside-down terracotta pot. The pot will radiate heat, warming the surrounding area. Extreme situations call for decisive action. Picture this. Your car plunges into a lake and begins to sink. Your first instinct might be to open the door, but wait, it's crucial to let the pressure equalize before attempting to escape. Once the pressure inside and outside the car is similar, try opening the door or break a window, preferably a side window, by striking the center with a tool or even the headrest. Another potentially deadly scenario involves being restrained by cable ties. Don't lose hope. You can escape using your shoelaces. Untie your shoelaces and thread one through the loop of the cable tie. Then secure the shoelace tightly against your wrist. Kick your arms forward and cycle them rapidly. The friction generated will eventually cause the cable tie to break. Remember, staying calm and thinking clearly are essential in any crisis. By mastering these survival skills and developing a resourceful mindset, you'll be better prepared to face whatever challenges come your way.